Guys, today, like every year, Haggis, Scottish one. Is a lot different way to cook it. Last year I did a roast in the oven, was fantastic. This time we're gonna boil it. I'm gonna eat it with that Salsa Verde. If you want to see the video, I have the video to make that with some nice courgette, spring onion on the top. This boiled water is already boiling here. Around 20-25 minutes, not too strongly boiling, and just go in. Important is under the water and leave it around 20-25 minutes. Okay? On, I'm gonna do this courgette is exactly 2-3 minutes. Okay? And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, and check our website cookingwithanitaliano.com. We need your help to keep the channel on and show you the best recipe. Now, some olive oil inside, garlic, you know, even not too much, courgette in, and we have properly food, okay? Some salt, black pepper, move a little bit, a little touch of butter, 1 and 2, yeah, job done. This is ready, guys, okay? And we make that a nice sauce, because when the flame is on, the butter just melt, but when it's off, make that a little sauce, okay? You see? The creamy. My courgette, they're ready. Okay, guys, my Haggis is done. Just leave him to cool down. Still warm. It's just like that. This, I'm afraid, but it's in synthetic skin. I try very gentle to cut it. We see. You see? I try to cut all the skin. Yeah, slice it. What I'm gonna do, the way I'm gonna put in the plate is, I take this plate, I put my courgette on the bottom, add a couple slices. Some fruit is nice as well, just to give a different taste, something sweet. I'm gonna put some salsa verde, if you like, but I recommend you, it's very nice. Spring onion. Look at that. Beautiful Piero's Haggis. Piero's Haggis is this. Always, guys, if you like, figure out and follow us. Ciao!